It is very important to have a nice and simple structure. You can follow many different structures. The suggested one is find your team, your destination, what exactly you want to achieve, what is your goal of your page, the goal that you believe in. That is so important because the different energy, different level of confidence will come out of it. Having your goal and team defined, you need to go and find the story, background story, which is the cherish of your history from your personal life to your professional life that will make a nice human connection to your goal. And you can build them up nicely together with all your competencies and all your achievements and all your expertise. Now, the next step will be nicely connecting it together and then practice it. Practice in a light of making sure that you create straight away a warmth. The warmth is created by very often non-verbal cues, tonality, also body language, and smile, very important. And in the same time, we relate to core of your experience. We want to show that you're competent in doing that. And not only a great believer, but you're competent. And also the last step of it, by putting it together, taking all those elements under consideration, practice at least a few times. Because from neuro-linguistic programming point of view, in order to create this great experience, you need to create new neural connection so your body feels, not only you know how to say it, your body needs to feel how to say it. So that's one of the biggest mistakes people go into interview. Oh, I know how to answer. But when we practice, they lose the track. There's no structure and they see, wow, that actually is different. I know and I do. So very important, practice a few times until you're really happy with it. Don't compromise with yourself. Make sure you're really happy with it. Because if you master this, you can be master at anything else.
Feel free to join our LinkedIn group. Hopefully I will see you soon. Thank you.